This is not going to work. Look at that. I have to literally, look, my hair is stuck in the roller. This is crazy. I have to literally almost snatch my hair out of it in order to get it back. It's a death trap. My hair is crazy. Oh, this is an absolute no-no. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm. This is a shame. I don't even make products like this. It does hurt because some of my hair is trapped. I mean, how do you possibly know? I don't know if you can. Hair pulled out. You will not visit Velcro rollers. Look at all of that. That's a no-no. Absolutely not.